boys and girls. It is so good to see you. Well, we're on Lesson 8 in math. And so we're going to start, if you have some flashcards at home, 0 through 10, that would be great. If you don't, then make your own. So today I made my own with envelopes because that's all I had. And so I'm going to shuffle them up and I'm going to show you, this is the rules to the game, okay? The rules to the game is to shuffle up the cards, mix them up, and then we're going to lay them face down, okay? And let me tell you the rules. Each partner places their deck cards face down. Each partner flips over 2 cards. And you can play this by yourself because that's what I'm fixing to do. And subtracts the smaller number from the larger number. So, the partner will, with the smallest difference, keeps the cards played by both players that round. For example, so I'm player and I pick this number. What number is that? 0. And then we pick another number and it's 2. So we take the larger number, 2, and we take 0 from it. The larger number is 2 and we take 0 from it. Because remember, when in subtraction, the larger number comes first. So 2 take away 0 is 2, right? And the difference is 2. And you keep playing, and so I'll draw the next 2, and I go, I have 5, and I have 3. Which one's bigger? 5, so we're going to say 5, take away 3, and the difference is 2. So you just keep playing the game, and that will help you with your subtraction. And it's just a quick way for you to review subtraction, subtraction, subtraction. All right. You also have a that quiz that I put in that quiz for today, and that is your speed drill. So you need to, it's a speed drill. So you need to do that today. There's 45 questions on there, and you should be able to go through them because it's subtraction. And it's fluency practice, so just practice that fluency. Okay, I'm going to say a series of 4 numbers, but replace one of the numbers with the word beep. When signaled, I want you to say the number that was replaced by the word beep in the sequence. You ready? So, for example, if I say 1, 2, 3, beep, what's the beep stand for? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we're going to count forwards and we're going to count backwards. So here we go. You ready? When I say beep, you say the number. 10, 11, 12, beep. What number did you say? 13, right. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, let's try this one. 20, 21, 22, beep. 20, 21, 22. What did you say? 23. Yeah, good job. All right. 20, 19, 18, beep. We're counting backwards, right? So we're going 20, 19, 18. What's the beep? 17. Yes. All right, let's try another one. 30, 29, 28, beep. 27. Yes, good job. All right, a couple more. 0, 10, 20. That one was a tricky one. 0, 10, 20. We're counting by tens. 30. 30 was your beep. Good. All right, 2 more. 40, 30, 20, beep. We're counting backwards by 10. 40, 30, 20, 10. Good job. And one more. 39, 29, 19, beep. That one's kind of really tricky. Yeah, we're taking away 10. So it's 39, 29, 19, 9 is your beep. Very good, very good. So that's just changing the beep. We can play that game over and over and over again. All right, so here is our application problem. Listen, Antoine picked 25 strawberries. So what's our first number we know? 25. So you get your piece of paper and you write 25 strawberries, right? 25. So let's go ahead and draw that number because we know our first part of the problem is 25. So we're going to draw 25. Do your quick tens and your ones. So you draw your quick tens and your ones. So that's 25. All right, so let's start over. Antoine picked 25 strawberries. We've got that. He picked some more strawberries. Then he had 35 strawberries. So he had 25. He picked some more, and his total amount was 35, right? So how are we going to set that up? So we have 25 already, right? That's how many he had to start with. He picked some more. Did we get a number there? No. So we're going to say plus something equals, but we know he has how many in all? 35 strawberries in all, right? So we know he has 35 strawberries in all, but we don't know how many more he picked yet. So 25 plus something equals 35, right? So we're going to take 25 and we're going to see what we need to add to it to make 35. But let's look in the tens position. We have a 2 and a 3, and we have 5, 5. Did the ones position change? No. We still have 5. But what changed? The tens position. How many did it go up? 2, 3. How many did it go up? 1 set of 10. So now we know that we had one more set of 10, right? But the 5 stayed the same. So we can say we added what to it? 10. We didn't add any more 5s, did we? Because we know the 5 stayed the same. So that's 35. Let's count it. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Did I get 35? Yes. Okay. So that's how we know. And then we write a statement. We would say, Anton picked 10 more strawberries. 25 is it greater than or less than 35? It's less than 35. And that's what we want. We want to be able to figure it out and write a statement about it. All right? So we're just walking through that process. For this lesson, we're going to use the words side of comparison cards. So we're going to use the words, I'm going to put it right underneath here. We're going to use the word less than, greater than, and equal to. Okay? Equal to. So here's our words. We're probably going to use greater than and less than most of the time. Less than, greater than, equal to. Now, when we did our sequences earlier, we said 10, 11, 12, and I said beat, but I said 13. And 40, 30, 20, 10. You said these numbers during beat counting. What's different about them? Okay, so let's look at them. 10, 11, 12, 13, 40, 30, 20, 10. What can you tell me that's different about them? Yes, that's right. 10, 11, 12, and 13 goes up, and 40, 30, 20, 10 goes down, right? And one set we counted by ones, and the other set we counted by tens. You're correct. So there's two things that we found different. Up and down, counted by ones and tens. What does go up mean? What does that mean? Does it mean the numbers get bigger or smaller? They get bigger. You're right. Let's use our math language to explain what are the two words, the three words. Greater than, less than, and equal to. All right, so let's talk about 10. The number 10. Is 10 greater than or equal than 11? Or less than? Which one? It's less than. So we would say 10 is less than 11, right? Now let's think about the number 11. Is 11 greater than or less than 12? It's less than. So 11 is less than 12. Let's say the whole sequence and use the comparison words as we compare each number. So we're going to say 10 is less than 11, 11 is less than 12, and 12 is less than 13. When we compare numbers using words, we read from left to right, just like when we are reading a sentence in a book or when we're reading a number sequence. So I'm going to write it out for you, what I just said. All right, so we read from left to right. 10 is less than 11. 11 is less than 12. 12 is less than 13. So we read from left to right, right? All right, so now let's look at 40. So we're going to say 40, 30, 20, and 10, right? Let's discuss it. 40 is greater than 30 or less than 30? Right, it's greater than, so we will write greater than 30. Is 30 greater than 20? Yes. 30 is greater than 20. Is 20 greater than 10? Yes. 20 is greater than 10. So we're using the word greater than. So let's read it. 40 is greater than 30. 30 is greater than 20. 20 is greater than 10. Today we are reading left to right when we compare numbers. Let's do 13 and 23. So we're going to show it first, okay? So let's show the number 13. So let's draw it. A 10 stick, a quick stick, and 3 ones. And then we have 2 10s quick sticks and 3 ones. Just like that. So when you draw it, it looks like this, right? So now let's talk. So we can say, is 13 greater than 23 or is 13 less than 23? Right, 13 is less than. So you write the word less than 23. So it looks like this. 13 less than 23. Now let's do one more. Can you guys do one more with me? Sure you can. All right, and then I'm going to give you some to do for later. So let's do 21, 19. So you write it out and let's draw it. 21. So we have 2 quick sticks and a 1, 1 quick sticks and 9 ones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So what are we going to say? 21 is greater than or less than? Greater than 19. Right. All right, so I'm going to give you some to do on your own, and you can pause the video. And I want you guys to do 15 and 19, 3 10s, 5 1s, and 8 1s. 21 and 31, 18 and 9, and 27 and 19. So I want you to do these. Write them down. Take a picture of them So you're going to do the ones at the bottom. This one's a little tricky. That means you're going to have to draw it out to see it. And remember, you're going to write greater than, less than. So first we draw the picture, then write greater than or less than. Remember, take a picture of this and send it to me, especially if you're at home. So now we're going to do 3 10s. Let me show you this in 3 10s and 2 10s. So we're going to find out that word in the middle. So 3 10s looks like this. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 2 10s. So is 3 10s greater than or less than? It's greater than. So you're going to write the word greater than. Now, let's look at 34 and 28, okay? Which digit in each number do you look out first to compare? You look at the tens place, right? Look at it. Do you see it? So we're going to look at the ones in the tens place. We have a 3 and the 2. Why do we look at the tens place first when we compare two numbers? Why do you think that is? The digit 3 in 34 stands for 30. And the digit 2 in 28 stands for what? 20. 30 is greater than 20, right? Even if there are 4 ones and 8 ones here, we still know that 30 is greater than 20. So when we compare these numbers, if the tens place is bigger than this tens place, this number is going to be bigger. So we say 34 is greater than 28, right? So I'm going to write some numbers, and this is going to be a little different, so we can start looking at things a little different. I'm going to write the number 29, 38, 7, 14, and 24 for you, okay? If I want to place these numbers into this set of numbers in order, where would they go? So what I'm going to do is, underneath this, I'm going to put 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40. Do you see that? Now, where would these numbers go? Let's place 29. Where is 29 going to go? Is it going to go between 0 and 10? Or is it going to go between 10 and 20? Or is it going to go where? It's going to go right before that. So I'm going to put 29 right here. 29 goes right there, right? Okay. So let's place 38. Where's 38 going to go? You're right. It's going to go between 30 and 40. So put 38 right here. And I did a little arrow there because I wanted you to see where it goes. Okay. 38. Now let's do 7. Where's 7 going to go? Right. It's going to go between the 0 and the 10. And how about 14? Between 10 and 20. And where's 24 going to go? Right. But let's look at 24. We have 20 to 30. We have 29 there already, but where's 24 going to go? It's going to go on this side of 29, right? Because 24 is less than 24 is less than 29, right? So then I sequenced it on the number line. Do you see that? And that's how you put numbers on a number line. And if you'll draw this, you're going to see it better. So now we can say 7 is less than 14. 14 is less than 24. 24 is less than 29. And 29 is less than 38. So if you have a sequence of numbers, we can say it like that. Or we can go the other way. We can say 38 is greater than 29. 29 is greater than 24. 24 is greater than 14. 14 is greater than 7. right? Right. 40 is greater than 38. So we put 38 here. Now, that's just some review. I'm going to give you a problem like that you need to do. And I'm going to give you a sequence of numbers. I'm going to give you 2 sets. I'm going to give you 9, 40, 32, 13, and 23. I'm also going to give you 9, 40, the same numbers, right? All right. In this one, in the top one, I want you to do least to greatest, okay? Least to greatest. And in the bottom one, I want you to do greatest to least. So let me show you how you're going to draw that, okay? So this one, we're going to draw it the same way I just did. So we're going to draw 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and you're going to place them where they go, and then you're going to rewrite them in order where they go. So I'm going to put, so at the bottom, you're going to write like here where they go. So they'll be in order. And the bottom one is greatest to least. So you're going to start counting backwards. So you're going to start with 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Do you see that? And then I'm going to put the lines down here. 5. And put them in order. Just put them in order after you push them on the number line. I think this is going to be easier for you to do. Good job, though. Good job. All right. So that is one thing I want you to do also now. So you can pause the video and work on that. Now, I want you to use the digits 8, 3, 2, and 7 to make 4 different 2-digit numbers less than 40. So write them in order from greatest to least. And this is going to be a little harder, okay? So you're going to use these numbers, and they have to be less than 40. And what that means is, I'll do the first one for you. So you might write 38, 33, 32, 17. So you're going to use this, but they have to be in order. So like I wrote them. So 38, 23, 22, 17. Okay? So you might write them like that. So that's a little harder thinking, okay? So they have to be less than 40, okay? So use those numbers and create numbers less than 40. That one's going to be kind of challenging for you. But I hope you had a good day. And I want you guys to work really hard. And you guys did great on your math today. So have a very good day. And I will talk to you later. Bye.